Hello parents and students of RCA. My name is Jesse Smith and I am the RCA Manufacturing and Computer Science instructor. I graduated from Rockdale County High School as part of the Rockdale Magnet program and went on to attend school at the University of Georgia, where I obtained degrees in computer science and also workforce education. This school year, I will be teaching your student the first year of the manufacturing pathway, which is Foundations of Manufacturing. The fall semester is all virtual, and we will be covering concepts such as hand drawing, 3D modeling, CNC carving, CAD design, and even a little bit of electronics. Because this school year is virtual, we will be meeting online through Microsoft Teams, and students will be receiving their work through It's Learning. I also have my own website at www.rcamanufacturing.com, which will also supplement It's Learning. Should you have any additional questions or just want to reach out to me to make an introduction, you can reach me at my email, jessesmith@rockdale.k12.ga.us. I'm excited about this upcoming school year, and I look forward to having your student in my class. Thank you.